it down there.
A little lower than we did.
I guess. I bet she had a fun time. Well, you get as wild as you want with it, man. No matter. Tell me, Shall we slow down? Just like you do on your channel.
Oh, that feels good.
Alright, where are they?
Right there. Can you imagine you're just working on a car down there, all of a sudden just vomit hits you? God, I mean, you'd just be like, what in the... Oh well. Stand up. Yeah. Appreciate it.
I like squeezed my balls so hard, it made me sick.
You alright?
Yeah.
You're not gonna throw up, are you?
No, it's not like that, you know, carnival sickness. It's like that somebody's kicked you in the nuts sickness.
Right.
That was awesome. Man, I love y'all's wrist strap. That was awesome. Thanks for that, man.
Did you realize more of the free fall?
Yeah, it was just.
It's still quick, but you were still pretty good.
Well, yeah, I got to just look around and see the horizon and just
the turn?
Yeah, I got to feel the turns. Yeah, it was great. It really was.
Saved my life, buddy.
Yeah. You landed right on it, right? Good job. Love you too. Good smile. Good job. It was awesome.
We landed on our feet.
Yeah,
No butt stuck on, nothing.
It's just peaceful,
Did he do a
right?
bunch of spins with you?
Yeah.
Did you get to pull?
Yeah. I'm so happy you got to do this. Love you a bunch, Mom.
I love you too. He goes, you been doing this for years? And I go, yeah, I'm not going to do that. But anyway.
Yeah, you gotta do it again. You gotta do it again.